What if 2025 is your year to finally break free from the 9 to 5? Want to know the best online money making methods that are working right now? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as we're diving into an exciting topic that's on everyone's mind: the best ways to make money online in 2025. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, new opportunities are emerging that can help you boost your income from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking to supplement your current job or start a full-time online venture, we've got you covered. We'll explore innovative methods that are gaining traction this year, from leveraging social media platforms to tapping into the world of cryptocurrency. You'll discover practical tips and strategies that can set you on the path to financial success. So if you're curious about how to navigate the online marketplace and want to stay ahead of the curve, stick around. This video is packed with valuable insights that can transform your approach to making money online. Let's get started and unlock your potential for earning in 2025. Freelancing opportunities. In recent years, the demand for freelancers has skyrocketed, and this trend is only expected to grow. With businesses increasingly turning to remote talent, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have become go-to resources for finding gigs across various fields. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, these platforms offer a wealth of opportunities to showcase your skills and connect with potential clients. Some of the most sought after skills include graphic design, writing, digital marketing, and web development. If you possess expertise in any of these areas, you're in a prime position to capitalize on the freelance market. To stand out in this competitive landscape, it's crucial to build a strong portfolio that highlights your best work. A well-curated portfolio not only showcases your skills but also instills confidence in potential clients. So, if you're ready to dive into the freelancing world, start honing your skills and creating a portfolio that will attract the clients you want. E-commerce ventures. The rise of e-commerce has transformed the way we shop and do business, making it easier than ever to start your own online store. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy provide user-friendly interfaces that allow you to set up your shop quickly, whether you're selling handmade crafts or dropshipping products. Dropshipping is an especially appealing option for new entrepreneurs, as it requires minimal upfront investment. With dropshipping, you can sell products without holding inventory, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer service. However, simply setting up an online store isn't enough. To stand out in the crowded e-commerce space, effective marketing and search engine optimization, SEO, are essential. By optimizing your product listings and utilizing social media, you can drive traffic to your store and increase sales. So, if you're ready to tap into the booming e-commerce market, consider these platforms and strategies to launch your venture successfully. Your online store could be the next big thing: content creation and monetization. In today's digital age, creating content and monetizing it effectively can be a rewarding venture. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok have revolutionized the way we share videos, offering creators the chance to reach millions of viewers. To succeed, it's essential to produce high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Engagement is key. Responding to comments and interacting with your followers can help build a loyal community around your content. The more connected your audience feels, the more likely they are to support your work and share it with others. Additionally, affiliate marketing presents a fantastic opportunity to earn money from your content. By promoting products or services relevant to your niche, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your unique links. So whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your existing content strategy, focus on creating engaging videos and exploring monetization options like affiliate marketing to maximize your earning potential. Your creativity could lead to financial success. Online courses and coaching. The potential for creating and selling online courses has never been greater, offering a fantastic way to share your knowledge while generating income. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to design and launch your courses, providing tools to help you reach a global audience. As more people seek to learn new skills, there's a growing demand for niche knowledge in areas like digital marketing, personal development, and specialized crafts. If you have expertise in a particular field, now is the perfect time to package that knowledge into a course that can benefit others. Additionally, consider offering coaching services alongside your courses. Personalized coaching can provide immense value to your clients, helping them apply what they've learned in a more tailored way. So, if you're passionate about a subject and eager to share your insights, explore the world of online courses and coaching. Your expertise could empower others while creating a sustainable income stream for yourself. Investing in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency presents both exciting opportunities and significant risks. At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses blockchain technology for secure transactions. This decentralized system allows for transparency and security, making it an appealing alternative to traditional currencies. Among the most popular cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, has established itself as a store of value, while Ethereum offers a platform for decentralized applications and smart contracts. Both have shown remarkable growth, but they also come with volatility that can lead to substantial losses. Before diving into the world of cryptocurrency, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and understand market trends. Familiarize yourself with the factors that influence price fluctuations, such as regulatory changes and technological advancements. By educating yourself and staying informed, you can navigate the complexities of cryptocurrency investing and make more informed decisions. Remember, knowledge is your best asset in this rapidly evolving market. Remote work and virtual assistance. The trend of remote work and virtual assistance is on the rise, offering individuals the flexibility to work from anywhere while earning a steady income. This shift has transformed the traditional workplace, allowing people to balance their personal and professional lives more effectively. Remote work not only provides the freedom to set your own schedule, but also opens up opportunities to work with clients from around the globe. For those interested in becoming virtual assistants, platforms like Belay and Time, etc. are excellent resources for finding job opportunities. These platforms connect skilled professionals with businesses in need of administrative support, making it easier to land your first gig. To thrive in this field, it's essential to develop strong organizational and communication skills. Being able to manage tasks efficiently and communicate clearly with clients can set you apart in a competitive market. So, if you're looking for a flexible career path, consider exploring remote work and virtual assistance as a viable option for your future. In conclusion, we explored a variety of online money-making methods that can help you achieve financial success in 2025. From freelancing opportunities on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, to launching your own e-commerce store with Shopify and Etsy, the options are abundant. We also discussed the potential of content creation and monetization through platforms like YouTube YouTube and TikTok, as well as the growing demand for online courses and coaching. Remember, the key to success lies in taking action and exploring these options to find what works best for you. Whether you choose to invest in cryptocurrency or dive into virtual assistants, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also benefit from these insights. Together, let's embark on this journey to financial freedom and success. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care,